Alright, let's look at the discovery in the context of the software development lifecycle. That will help us better understand why successful companies run discoveries for their digital products. On a very high level, almost every custom software development project has at least 4 distinct stages: pre-sale, discovery, delivery, and hypercare. The goal of a pre-sale stage is to grasp and understand the business opportunity, develop the business case, and get a preliminary approval from the senior stakeholders. Discovery is where we go deep dive into the customer subject matter, understand the business processes, run the interviews and workshops, and collect all the relevant data. As a result of the discovery, we may capture and set expectations for the MVP, or minimum viable product, project timelines and resources needed to build this new solution. We'll then actually build this solution, oftentimes by implementing a new software. And after the launch of the product, we'll need to reserve some time and resources to operate and maintain the system. We call this hypercare. Say we consider building a new e-commerce website for an existing company that sells musical instruments. During the pre-sale stage, we'll typically get very limited access to the users and the stakeholders, if any. Just enough to do some ballpark estimates of time and budget that'll be required to build the website. Then during discovery, we'll run the interviews, meet with the company people, look at the data, look at the actual products they sell. We'll ask tons of questions about manufacturing, shipping, payments, and we'll conduct user research as needed. Then we'll formulate what is MVP, or minimum viable product, for this new website and project the implementation timelines. Then we'll build, often in phases, launch, and offer hypercare and operational support. As we're looking specifically at a discovery engagement, each discovery typically consists of preparation, execution, as well as analysis and transition phases. We'll look at all these steps in the next sections of this training, but here's a nutshell. During the preparation, we'll collect all the information that's already known from the pre-sales or open sources and create agenda for the workshops and the interviews. Then we'll actually go and run these workshops and interviews during the execution. And afterwards, we'll prepare the resulting outcomes, feature lists, user experience wireframes, and project plans, and smoothly transition the project to the build phase, also oftentimes called the delivery phase.